morning, children. In today's session, we will learn about things that we do every day. Verbs. We use the verbs in simple present tense to talk about our daily routine, habits, and things that happen every day and always. So, children, here we are talking about daily using words. These verbs all are in simple present tense form. Simple present tense. Look at the following sentences. Raju is very happy. Pinky likes pet animals. Chintu goes to bed early. Did you notice the verbs? Is, likes, and goes. They indicate the actions happening in the present time. Hence, these verbs refers to simple present tense. Verbs in simple present tense talk about actions that happen in the present time or regularly. For example, our cat drinks milk. Here, the action word drinks talk about the action that happens regularly. So, this verb is said to be in simple present tense. So, children, coming back to page 37 in our grammar book. I hope all of you understood usage of simple present tense. Now, see here. In these following sentences, we have seen verb in simple present tense form. Look at the pictures and read the following sentences. John goes to church every Sunday. The moon shines at night. Mother cooks food. Here observe, children, goes, shines, cooks. These are all in simple present tense form. Okay? Regular works. Next one. A hen lays eggs. Father works in an office. Birds make nests. These are all also regular works, children. Birds make nest. Make verb in simple present tense form. This is habitat action. Okay. Next one. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Here, see, children, choose the correct answer for the following blanks. Each blank have two options. Choose the correct one. Okay. I play cricket every day. Children, this sentence express habitual action. So that we have select here play verb as simple present tense. Okay. This action is habitual action. Next one. The sun sets in the west. This sentence express universal truth and fact. Okay. Next one. Usha drinks tea every morning. This is daily action. So that here we select drinks as simple present tense form. Next one. The servant cleans the room well. This sentence express an action that takes place at the present moment, regular action, present moment. Okay. Next one. A hunter shoots animals. This sentence express regular action or daily action. Okay. These are all play, sets, drinks, cleans, shoots. These are all as simple present tense form. Moving on to next page, children. Page 38. Fill in the blanks with suitable action words. See here, we are given some blanks. Choose the suitable word from the below box. Eats, breaks, lives. This is a parrot. It lives on trees. Lives on trees. Here suitable verb lives. Next one, eat dry seeds. What is the suitable word of this blank? Eats. Okay. Next one, eat the seeds with its sharp beak. So remaining one, breaks. It breaks the seeds with his sharp beak. These are the correct words for these blanks. Lives, eats, breaks. These are all in simple present tense form. Okay. Here see children, all the names of the animals are nouns and their sounds make verbs. Match the following. Children, try to match sounds with their respective animals. Okay. For your help, I'll show the video also for the sounds of these animals. So, try on your own. Children, observe the sound of elephant. Next one, dog. Observe children. Next one, cow. Observe the sound of cow, children. Next one, goat. Moving on to next page, page 39. Let's read. We celebrate Independence Day on the 15th of August every year. We go to school in white uniform. Our principal hoists the national flag. Then we sing the national anthem. Some children speak about the great leaders of India. Our teachers give us sweets. Here observe children, some words are underlined. Celebrate, go, hoist, sing, speak, give. These are all in as simple present tense form. Okay? So children, write the correct answers or the following questions. Here see. Some questions are given. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Just now we read. We celebrate Independence Day on the 15th of August every year. Yes. Next one. What do you wear to school? Which color uniform? Regular uniform or white uniform? We wear white uniform. What does your principal do? Our principal hoists the national flag because he was the head of the school. That's why he hoists the national flag. Next one. What do some children speak about? Some children speak about the great leaders of India. On the particular occasion, some children speak about the great leaders of India. Next one. Who gives you sweets? Our teachers give us sweets. Okay, moving on to next one. Moving on to next page, page 40. Here see children, in the writing session, Alok is a good boy. He wakes up early in the morning. He takes a bath and eats breakfast. He goes to school on time. He reads his lessons every day. He helps his parents in many ways. He learns music and swimming. He likes to play cricket. Here see children, write similar sentences about yourself. Here see, some blanks are given. Write similar sentences about yourself. That's all for today's work. Read and write grammar work in lesson number 10 in the grammar book. Thank you.